Today I want to talk about Bitcoin's price action and what I think about the market at the current moment. So in my last video that I made in July, I've said that I'm expecting a bear market in the near future and the price fall to 60,000 or 50,000 area. And now the move have started, and I want to share with you my thoughts at the current price action. So, first of all, to analyze charts, I like to open a monthly chart because you can manipulate 5-minute charts, 1 hour time frame chart. But you cannot manipulate monthly charts. They really say a lot about the market conditions. And now, what we have? We have this humongous red candlestick that had closed just recently. And there are a lot of people that are expecting a pullback, that expect higher prices, but it is not a corrective move. Like this 30% pullback, or was it 40%? It doesn't matter. This was a pullback. It was a corrective move. This is bearish move. You can see upper wicks here that say to us that people are willing to sell here at these prices. And then we have this red candle that tells us, yes, bears are in control of the market at the moment. So I'm not expecting a pullback to 110,000 area. I'm not expecting even a pullback to 100,000 area. Is it possible? Yes, it is very possible, like 30 or 40% chance that we will have a move like this. But everyone expects a pullback. I don't use Twitter that much, but before making this video, I've checked Twitter, and everybody expecting a pullback. And I think that if everybody expects a pullback after this huge red candle, there might be no pullback in the future. We can have a pullback only after we reach this 65,000 area. And if we go to this weekly chart, we still can see that there is just price going down. There is no hint that you should long this market. So I'm a day trader. I can make long positions in a bear market, but I make longs very cautiously when the market looks like this. And I am not that cautious when I'm shorting. So I'm waiting for little pullbacks to just short it. And at this moment there is nothing that can prove that we can expect a big pullback. Market just have dropped. It just has dropped, and all it has done. So I'm not expecting anything. Like if I'll see some weekly candle that is really bullish, I can't. I can be a short-term bull, but this is not a bullish chart. So don't be afraid to short this market. And be afraid to make stupid longs where the market is just dumping on you. Like, I don't know. I'll post this video in about 1 or 2 hours, but I wait something like just this to the 70s for Bitcoin. So I have RSI opened, and let's talk about RSI on the Bitcoin. So it held this 60% level for 2 years, and in this November it had break it. So it is one more proof that we are at the bear market. We're just at the bear market. Market will go down. That's all you can expect from it. There is no bullish signs, so don't long this. If you're a spot trader or you're an investor, don't invest in this chart. Don't put money in this. Put money where when you'll see on a weekly time frame or on a monthly time frame a good consolidation. That's all I can suggest you. And if you look on the weekly RSI, what we can see here, there was a 44% support area. What color will make it? We will make it red. Yeah. So we have broken this 44% RSI in 9th of January in 2023. And for almost 4 years, we've held this 40% level, and now we have broken it. So you must be bearish. You must be bearish at this chart. Don't make stupid longs. They will just these longs that you make just because the price has dropped, they will make you a little bit more poor. That's all I can say. And if we'll go to the altcoins, they are just literally dead. Let's check this up. First of all, I don't only look at the RSI like only for divergences. I look on the RSI also to see if we are above 50% area or we are lower than 50%. If we are lower on than the 50%, that means we are at the bear market. And RSI is 36. There is no divergences on the weekly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we are at the 40 levels, and we've had this divergence, as you can see. Yes, and it is no surprise. Like, there is so much people that made a fortune after 2021, after 2017, that it is okay for the market to have a little break for some time. I still macro bullish. I still think altcoins will go up. There will be another alt season, but if you want to long this, you will be just liquidated and lose all your money. So, what we have on the altcoin chart? It is crypto total market cap, excluding top 10 coins. So it is a chart of all the altcoins that are not at the top 10 altcoins. All your microcaps. So, what do you see here? If you don't see anything here, you are a beginner, I think, in trading. Because it is the clearest head and shoulders on the monthly chart that took almost 2 years to form. And simple rule for head and shoulders: you take a low or take a high of the head, you put this line from the top to the neckline, and then you can see how much the market can drop from this head and shoulders. And as you can see, it is going to this 90 or 80 billion area, somewhere here. So I won't buy altcoins on the spot until I see at least prices below 100 billion on altcoins. It's the clearest chart that you can imagine. Bitcoin is more sophisticated, but this one is clear as day. So for the altcoins, you just buy, you just open your exchange and you just tap sell button, and very rarely a long button. Don't buy this. It is for selling. Like, I just noticed. I didn't notice it until I made this video. So as you can see, there were head and shoulders here before this bull market, but it was an inverted head and shoulders, and now it is just a classic head and shoulders. So for a conclusion, we are at the bear market, and that's all. Market is just bearish. All the people that tell you we are going higher because we had 30% pullback, they just wrong. And you will see that all these moon guys, yeah, all these moon guys are just bad at trading and reading charts. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.